Hey guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's Isabella, and today I'm going to show you guys how to place your first order on Doordash. So if you have no idea how to use Doordash, stay tuned for a full tutorial. I'll also go over all the features that the app offers. But before we get started, if you are a rideshare driver or a gig worker and your account got deactivated, we actually know of this awesome service called Driverly. We have a link down below for them in the description. They will help you get your account reactivated. They'll basically go and make the appeals for you, send everything in for you, and hopefully be able to get your account back so you can keep earning. Aside from that, they have a bunch of other services that you would get with a monthly subscription. So again, it's called Driverly. We have a link down below in the description. All right, so let's get started with Doordash. So Doordash is a food delivery app, if you didn't know already, but you can also get things like groceries or things from the convenience store or the pharmacy. So it's not just from restaurants. So as soon as you go on the app, it'll show you all the restaurants that are in your area, and it'll recommend things to you that it thinks you might like, or they have like featured restaurants, and they have all these categories and then these filters so you can pick out like exactly what you would want to get. Then if you want to order for pickup, they have that option as well. And it'll show you places that are like walking distance to you, or like that are a pretty quick drive, so you're not like driving super far to pick up your food. And so if you want to place an order, let's say I want to get toothpaste, I'm going to search that and it'll show you different places where you can get that from. So I'm just going to go with the first one, which is Dash Mart, and they basically just have all these different options for you to be able to, you know, order different things like like what they would have at a convenience store. So they have like household items here. So if I want to get toothpaste specifically, I'm going to search for that in the search bar, select the toothpaste that I want, and then follow the instructions on the screen. It's just telling me, you know, if I want to add anything, and then if I want to place my order. So after you place your order, it'll give you notifications telling you about when your order's been received, when they're preparing your order, and when the shopper is like getting your items for you. Then from there, you'll be notified once the driver is on their way to you. And then you can also see them on the map, so you can see exactly where they are, exactly how far away they are from you, and how much time is left before they come. And then you can choose your payment method, everything. You can choose how much, you can choose if you want them to leave it at the door, or if you want to meet them outside, put in any promo codes if you want to get a discount. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward. And then sometimes like they'll usually send you a message when your order is ready, or like if they're having problems. And if you go to your account, it'll show you all these things like getting a Dash Pass. So this is like a monthly subscription, or I guess it's a yearly subscription where you can get like discounts and stuff. They have everything on there. It helps if you want to use Doordash a lot, then you end up saving money if you use that. You can save stores, they have dine-in rewards, which I don't have any yet. And then you can get help, you can send gift cards to people, you can refer a friend, so you guys both make money if they use your link to sign up for a Doordash account. And there's all these account settings to manage stuff, and then you can become a Dasher. So yeah, if you wanted to start delivering with Doordash, you can check that out right in the app. Anyways guys, I hope that was helpful to you if you've never used Doordash before. If I missed anything or you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you want to see more videos from us, make sure to give this one a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.